welcome to my channel. My name is Meme, also known as MemsNaij, and if you're new, hello, welcome. If you've been here for a while, thank you for sticking around. Today I'm going to be talking about my products of 2017. These are the products that I used over and over and over again in 2017 that I believe is responsible for my lush fro. In 2018, I would like to try out a few new products, but I will always go back to these. And basically, it's just my Aussie line. Okay, so the first product I'm going to be showing you is the Aussie Repair Miracle. It's just amazing. I love this product. I use it to pre-poo, to detangle, to condition after a wash, and it's amazing. I love it. This one is the leave-in conditioner. I spritz this in the morning and then seal in with my mix of oils that I made. This right here has got to be the best product. Every deep treatment that Aussie has, I've tried it out and it's the same. They give amazing results. And finally, the 3 Miracle Oil, which I use to seal in the moisture. Put this mix in my own mix, like my oil mix that I made on my own. It still has the same results, still has amazing shine. I love it. Okay, so that is the Aussie line. Those are the products I have. So I have conditioner, leave-in conditioner, deep conditioner, and the oil. Those are the products that I have from Aussie. I love them. I use them over and over again. When they run out, I purchase some more because they're really good for my hair. But I also have 2 other products that I used in 2017 that I wouldn't say products, they're just the things I made, and I have a video of this as well. It's just my black soap that I use to shampoo my hair and my oil that I mix myself, which the Aussie 3 Miracle Oil is in here as well. So this is just a mix of beautiful oils, and this is my black soap shampoo, which I have a video of how I made these too. Now, having said that, I do not take credit for any of it. The truth is, Natural85 was the inspiration behind this. I watched her video where she mixed her own oils, and also I watched another video where she made the black soap shampoo, and I put in what I have, and that's how I created mine. And yeah, I've been using it throughout last year. It's worked beautifully for me. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Spread love, spread positivity, and live to inspire. Bye.